Your 20s is what we all look forward to. I mean, it's nothing like being 1 year away from legally drinking and 1 year past your teenage years. But it's certain things that I believe you should do to better your life as a young adult. Boys, I got you. I got you. Today we finna talk about 4 things that you should do in your early 20s to ensure that your 30s and 40s is beyond what you want. Let's get into it. Number 1, stock market. Yes, taking risk in the stock market is scary because people are mentally tied to their money. If you was to give up a little bit of cash today to ensure that you have a lot more in 5 years, would you do it? Billionaires do this all the time. All the time. They lose millions and millions of dollars just to gain billions. And on average, the market trades trillions of dollars throughout people that are trying to gain that more wealth. So as you sit at the house and watch Netflix, you're missing out on thousands and thousands of dollars. Number 2, credit cards. Getting a line of credit is the formula for the rich. Let's talk about it in the story. So you have John and you have Phil. Phil being me. John likes to buy everything in cash. Everything he gets, he pays for cash. He either saves for it and buy it in full. Now Phil, on the other hand, when he turned 18, 19, he got a credit card and start building his line of credit early to get where he want to be in the future. So John and Phil wants to buy real estate properties separate people. John saves up 15 years for his full amount on the house. He wants paid in cash. He doesn't want to get a loan from the bank. He wants everything paid off. Phil, on the other hand, he has established line of credit. It only takes him 5 years to get the down payment, which is $60,000 for the house. So when Phil buys the house in 5 years, it still need to take John 10 years to get to the point where Phil is at. Now Phil is making $600 a month on his rental property while John is still saving up to get the full amount for the house. Number 3, starting a business. I mean, come on, boys. You want to have your own business. You want to do something that you love. Do something that you care about, something that is scalable so you're not tied to that hourly job that you hate going into every day. Who doesn't want to work for themselves? Who doesn't want to provide for themselves? Who doesn't want to have income that's scalable to where you making $100,000 a month or $100,000 a year? It's hard to start a business. Real hard. You're gonna go through failures. You gotta go through hard work. You gotta go through giving up vacations to work on your business. Like you want your business to grow, you gotta give up a lot of time for your business to grow. That is sacrifice. You want to be successful, you want to be all these things, but you have to sacrifice first. Hard work leads to success. Not, oh, I'm gonna be lazy and then my success will come. Or I get a big break and my success will come. No, you have to put in the work. You have to take no days off sometimes to ensure that your business is growing at the rate that you want it to grow. Lastly, boys, invest in yourself. I mean, really invest in yourself because you are the only person to push yourself. Everybody else is not going to believe you. Everybody else is going to down you. Everybody else is going to talk bad about you. You have to believe in yourself first. If you don't believe in yourself first, everything else will not matter. You have to invest in yourself. You have to grow for yourself. Learn about financial literacy because that will get you to the next stage of your business career and where you're in your 30s and you are already retired. Don't you want a life where you control your own destiny? Don't you want your life to be meaningful? Have vacations on top of vacations on top of vacations, but you're still working. You're still doing what needs to be done. You're still doing what you love. You're not straying away to go work for somebody else. I don't understand why people work for somebody for 10 hours and come home and not work for themselves. Not work on themselves. Not improve on what they got going on. Do a side hustle. Grow a little bit more. This is why you should invest in yourself when you're young. Because when you are 25 and 30, all them failures that you made, you know not to do no more. You know what it takes to get to that next level when you actually put in the time, put in the work, and actually do it. And boys, that's it for me today. If you like the video, drop a like down below and comment, and I'll see you next time.